I am Dr. Chandan Chattaraj, Professor and HOD of Mechanical Engineering Department. I have about 22 years teaching experience. My research areas are rotodynamics, robotics, computer numerical control machines, dynamics of machines, etc. I have published research articles about 37 or so in national and international journals, conferences, etc. Thank you.
This is vertically CNC machine, 3 axis. One is X direction, Y direction, Z direction. Right?
This is the CNC machine for lathe.
I am Dr. Kanchan Chatterjee, working as professor in mechanical engineering department. I have 20 years industrial experience and 20 years teaching experience. My research area is thermal science and meteorology.
I am Suman Karmakar, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering. I used to teach engineering mechanics, theory of machine, machine design and machine drawing. And my research area is composite materials.
Welcome to Dynamics of Machines Lab. Let us see what are the equipments we have in our Dynamics of Machines Lab. We start with the cam follower mechanism, which is occasionally used in automobile sectors. Then we have the rotating machinery apparatus. This rotating balancing machine occasionally used in industrial purpose also. For example, turbines, pumps, then motors, etc. These require field balancing to work satisfactorily. Then we have the universal vibration apparatus. It consists of several modes of vibrations, but for single degree of freedom models. For example, free undamped vibration, free damped vibration, forced vibration, forced damped vibration, etc. For longitudinal vibration, transverse vibration, and the torsional mode of vibrations. That is the torsional mode of vibration. And here we have the longitudinal mode of vibration. And for transverse vibration also we have a separate apparatus.
Single rotor, double rotor.
And all these vibrations gives us different types of vibration parameters ranging from frequency, time period, damping factor, damping coefficient, etc. We have few wood models also for describing different types of mechanisms. Coercive mechanisms, high diaphragm mechanisms, and 4-bar mechanisms. These are the mechanisms are for study purpose only. We have also a gyroscope setup. The current syllabus, it is now excluded, but it is also wonderful apparatus. Nowadays the mobile phone also have the gyroscope, so it is wonderful to study the gyroscope apparatus. Thank you.
Assistant Professor of Mechanical Engineering Department. I teach the subject mechatronics, automation, production management, operations management, etc. And I am specialist in robotics, mechatronics. Operations of 3x2 valve, how this is operating like this when we are changing the position, and how the single acting cylinder is being controlled. We have the circuit diagram. Next we will see the operation of double acting cylinder by 5x2 valve. You can see by changing the position how the cylinder position is being changed, and you have the circuit diagram. Next we can see the operation of pneumatic motor, how we can see that this is directly coming to this and we can change it like this.
Hello, I am Siddhartha Bhomik, Assistant Professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering, Dr. BCREC Engineering College, Durgapur. Well, I am taking various theory and lab classes in different semesters at undergraduate level for the last 16 years. I have done some preliminary research work on vibration control. At the same time, I am very much associated with the training and placement of our students in various reputed core industries as well as IT sectors pan-India. That's all.
I am Rakesh Biswas, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department. I used to teach fluid mechanics, strength of materials, solid mechanics. My area of specialization is thermal engineering.
This is strength of materials lab. This is Rockwell from Brinell hardness tester machine, where we can find out the hardness by Rockwell method or by Brinell method. So this is the setup where we can perform both the methods. Setup is for performing the torsional test to find out the modulus of rigidity of the material. Here we are going to find out the modulus of rigidity of this mild steel. The rod is made up of mild steel. This is the Brinell hardness tester, where we can find out the Brinell hardness number of any material by placing the material over here and thereafter doing indentation, and later on finding out the diameter of indentation using optical microscope, and after that using mathematical formula we can find out the hardness number, Brinell hardness number of the material. This is another hardness tester named as Rockwell hardness tester, where we can place the material specimen over this anvil, and the advantage of this method is that we can find out the Rockwell hardness number directly, and a wide variety of material hardness can be found out, and the table, that list is here in different scales. Robust setup of universal testing machine, and we can find out the tensile strength of mild steel. So we are doing experiment here to find out using mild steel rod to find out the tensile strength, and that is placed over here. Other than finding tensile strength, we can also find out compressive strength. The capacity of this universal testing machine is 100 kN. This setup is for performing the experiment related with deflection of beam. So here we are using a simply supported beam made of mild steel rod. So by measuring the deflection and later on using the formula, we can find out the modulus of elasticity of the mild steel. Impact testing machine, and here we are going to find out the toughness of the material. We can find out the toughness by two methods, either IZOD or Charpy. For IZOD and Charpy, we have to use different scale which are calibrated here. At the same time, we have to use different set of strikers.
Hello, I'm Orko Banerjee, Assistant Professor at the Department of Mechanical Engineering. My subject area is machine design and my research domain is computational fluid mechanics.
Charity working with an assistant professor in Department of Mechanical Engineering, Dr. BCREC Engineering College, Durgapur. I teach engineering mechanics, strength of material. My research area is design of machine element and redesigning. Thank you. That you fix your area, exactly the same area that where you want to draw your drawing, and it should be A4 size, and the size of A4 sheet 297 into 210. It should contain
Hi, Dr. Manoj Kundu, Assistant Professor Amy, Dr. BCREC Engineering College, Durgapur. I done my PhD from NIT Durgapur in 2018. My research area is production and manufacturing. I have 6 journal and 4 conference papers. Thank you.
I am Dr. Subhash Chandra Moi. I take manufacturing processes, advanced manufacturing processes, advanced welding technology. My research areas are traditional and non-traditional machining, welding.
I am Dr. Rajiv Ranjan, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department. My research area is manufacturing technology.
This is forging shop, and here first year and second year students, they practice forging work. I am Deepak Kumar, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department. I teach manufacturing related subjects, and my research domain is formability of sheet metals. So this machine shop is especially dedicated for first year students. So here we have 5 lathe machines, we have drilling machine here, and here we have power shop, and here we have shaper machine, and at the end we have milling machine. This machine shop is dedicated for higher semester students. Here we have shaper machine, and this side we have 4 lathe machines, and there we have
Hello, I am Parthasarathi Bose, Assistant Professor for Mechanical Engineering Department. My area of interest is manufacturing technology. I used to teach subjects like engineering drawing, mechanical workshop, manufacturing technology, materials engineering, etc. Thank you.
So this is welding shop, and here we conduct manual metal arc welding, and there are 2 welding platforms for the first year and third semester students. And this side we have gas welding, oxyacetylene gas welding, and apart from that we have MIG welding set up here for the higher semester students.
Working in this institute since 2014. My research interest in the area of thermal engineering, fluid mechanics and renewable energy.
Both the plates are connected with some heaters, and you can heat the plates, and it is VT and IV. For test plate it is VT and IV. Okay? You can measure the temperature P1 for black plate and both the plates temperature are same. Then only you can start making and different.
Good morning. I am Dr. Arijit Banerjee, Associate Professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering, working here for last 8 years. My research area is thermodynamics, heat transfer, fluid mechanics, and mainly multi-phase flow. I have total 10 publications in international and national journal and conferences. Thank you. This is thermal engineering lab. In this lab, we have several engines like multi-cylinder petrol engine, computerized single-cylinder diesel engine, single-cylinder petrol engine, single-cylinder diesel engine, bomb calorimeter, flash point and fire point apparatus, and cloud point and pour point apparatus, ORSAT apparatus, cart model of Babcock and Wilcox boiler, model of Lancashire boiler, cart model of locomotive boiler, cart model of Cochrane boiler and vertical water tube boiler, and also we have some other engine cart models like single cylinder petrol engine, single cylinder double engine.
This is speed in velocity, centimeter per second. Speed, and this is load, means force. Load.
Hi, Shamacharan Chakraborty, a faculty of Dr. BCREC Engineering College and Associate Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department. Presently, I teach heat transfer for the undergraduate students, third year, and advanced dynamics and machinery for PG students.
I am Chittu Sahana, Assistant Professor, specially teaching fluid mechanics, heat transfer, water resource engineering. My research area, geothermal energy.
And whatever head, the data in state that from your data head or data line you have to keep, from there you have to do. Clear? This is the thing. Now, if you arrange this one, you can write the velocity.
Dr. Pavitra Kumar Mondal, working as assistant professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering. My subject is thermodynamics and advanced thermodynamics. I am working in this department as UG coordinator. Thank you.
These are a few instruments in the metrology lab. This is outside micrometer, this is inside micrometer, these are the verniers, this is the dial gauge indicator, this is angle gauge, this is thread gauge, this is pillar gauge, this one is the gear tooth vernier, this is the thread micrometer, this is the sine bar, this is slip gauge, and this one is the vernier height gauge. These are the FU only.
Hello, myself Rupali. I am assistant professor in mechanical engineering department. My specialization is machine design, and in PhD my specialization was pressure vessel design. I am working in the BCREC Engineering College from last 11 years. Thank you.